Hello, my name is Giselle Fair, and this is a video presentation to explain my first assignment for COMP229, which is an Express portfolio. So I will be showing you my Express portfolio hosted on Heroku, and after that I will little bit explain how the app.js file allowed me to load all the files and the features from Express that I needed. So I hope you enjoy it. Well, here is my homepage and my Express portfolio hosted on Heroku, as you can see here. This is a homepage is for practice purposes, and it's so simple. We just have a welcome message and a cover sale from Bootstrap that I added. So this makes it a little interesting. And this welcome message, it's a sort of link that takes me to the About Us, About Me page. In this page, I explain a little bit about my background. It was required that included the photo. And also here, this is an icon from Assam, and this takes me to the resume. So this is a PDF. And here the person that visit my Express portfolio can find information about me, all my studies and work experiences and also skills. So going back to my About Me page. So after this, I created a projects page. It's very simple again, but anyways, it's a way to showcase like a catalog of different projects. I don't have many projects. Anyways, this works. I link all of these images to a real project hosted on GitHub. So if we click on here, it takes me to this photo gallery. And again, if I click in here, this is another photo gallery. This one, for example, takes me to a view and my calculator. This one to a game I created. So yes, this is kind of a catalog of all of the different projects I've been working. Also, I created these services pages that is supposed where I show all the services that I can provide right now. This is again just for practice purposes. That is why I just showcase the web app and the front end services. Anyway, this is functional. This is linked again to the projects I've been working in. So it's just for practice purposes, but it works. And finally, I created this form to contact me. So the user can enter his or her first name, last name, email, and send me and submit a message for me. So now let me explain a little bit from my apps.js folder how this app works. Here, as you can see, the first things I had to do was to install the third-party packages. And in the app.js, what I did was to use the required keyword to link all of these packages to the app.js folder. In case of this index router and users router, these are by default features. So I didn't install these, but they were there. This line, the let app equal express, is an instance of the express. So in that way, I can use and set the features from express. What is what I did after this? I set and used the express features And in this line, for example, I am using the path join to include the view path into the search path. So in this one, for example, I am setting the EJS as my engine. And well, after that, in this use part, I am activating all of these features. And for example, in here, I am activating the logger to keep track of the dev system. Here, for example, I am activating the express.json so I can make data interchange. For example, in this one, app.use express that static path.join, I am again including all of the features or files inside of the public folder into the search path. So I do not need to make individual path for everything inside of the public folder. This is activating this part that was set by default. And finally, I have the error handler part where I really didn't do so much, but I customized a little bit in changing the title property to error. So, well, that is pretty much how I did this. After that, after all of that, of course, I pushed my code to GitHub and I linked Hero code to GitHub, and I was able to host that this Express portfolio on Hero. I hope you have enjoyed my explanation and see you soon.